Hi guys, it's Maddie
and Nicole.
and Lucy's going to join us. She's looking popular challenge.
Hi!
You can't see anything, but that's her. So today we're doing the whisper challenge.
And Maddie will have the headphones on first, and Lucy will be saying stuff.
So, I'm sure you know how it plays.
Yeah, you just have headphones and
listen to loud, really loud. So basically, someone is listening to music.
Very loud
yeah.
And I have to say something to you.
Yeah.
Either I like pigs. I like pigs.
I like beans. But you would have music.
Yeah, she actually doesn't have any music. Just faking it.
So, yeah.
So we'll get right on to the video.
I can hear it.
I love this.
So guys, we can hear it. Right, okay. Ready?
I like your car crash. I like your eye.
Yeah.
Be quiet, I can hear you if you shout. I like your eyes.
Yay! Maddie got it. I like your eyes.
Don't shout because then I can hear you.
I think before that we say it to the person that they should hear it first.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Who's
that.
going on the headphones
Then
first?
Me,
Try
I want to
to
go on the
someone?
headphones. So tell them what Maddie's going to say to me without me hearing.
Right.
Okay.
You can pick any.
We'll go out and say.
Or you go out.
Okay, I'll go out.
No, pick a song.
Put these on.
Pick a song whilst you're out there. Who's saying it to you? Am I?
Yes.
Oh, yay.
We need to swap places.
So we need to swap places.
Right. So, what did she just say?
I'm going to say... what do you think I should say, guys? I might say... What an amazing elephant. Because that's random.
Lucy!
Did you hear any of that?
So...
Did you hear it?
No.
Okay, good. We did whisper it.
You better not have.
Do I sit here?
No, we swap places.
We swap places.
Nicole, you got all the...
Nicole, do you edit these?
Sometimes.
Can you edit this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rolling.
Why not? Why?
Rolling.
Because
Rolling.
it's just a bit like...
Right.
Okay, go.
Oh, it's loud.
What
Would elephants like to dance?
She said, would elephants like to dance?
What?
Would is... Would...
What?
Nicole.
When...
She
What?
gets...
What? Is... Are...
A.
Jesus Christ, that was
A.
A. What? No, is... What a...
Nice.
You're saying it, I can hear you. What a... What else?
Nice.
Lion?
Nice.
What a...
Nice.
License?
What a nice. Nice. Nice.
What?
What a nice elephant.
What a liar?
What a nice. Nice.
Life?
Nice.
Day?
Nice.
What a...
Nice.
Like?
Nice.
Fight?
Nice. You can hear that surely. I bet you're pretending. Nice. Good.
What a...
Nice.
Say another word.
Day?
Say another word.
Imagination. Go away. We're doing a YouTube video. So, sorry, my brother just came in and was being annoying. So,
Okay, go.
Right, let's carry on.
So,
Okay.
what a
Nice.
yes! Elephant.
Elephant.
Yay!
Was
So,
that next one?
What a nice elephant.
So, guys.
Okay, I will be saying to Nicole, I will be saying,
What a pretty bird.
no, I'll be saying,
What a little
what a lovely cow. Because my favourite animal is a cow, so that's
Go
great.
away, Jacob.
Okay, right, let's start this.
Now, so Nicole's back in. She couldn't even hear us when we tried to get her.
Okay.
So, what is what?
Hey! Lovely.
Lovely!
Cow.
Hey! Go away!
No.
You're too
Cow. Cow.
Down.
Cow.
Day.
Cow.
Down.
cow.
Tail. Tail.
What?
A lovely way.
Cow.
How? Ow!
Cow.
Ah!
Cow.
How?
Cow.
House.
Cow.
House.
Cow.
Town.
Cow.
House.
Cow.
No one's making sense.
Cow.
What?
What?
A
A
lovely
lovely
cow.
now.
Nearly. Come see, come swat.
Cow.
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 Yes. Say it all
Well
together.
done. What a lovely cow.
Yeah. Right, so now should we do it again, Jacob? This is
No,
my
no,
annoying
no,
little
no. Let's
brother.
do the next challenge now, but like in a different video. So outro.
Subscribe if I'm not annoying.
Okay.
Well, then,
So oh my God.
No one's
not.
gonna subscribe.
Yeah.
He's very annoying sometimes. But sometimes he's
Okay, so we will be filming another video very, very soon.
You may
So-
not be in it because you might go to sleep.
No. And really hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.
Please
Remember
like,
to subscribe, smash that like button,
Smash it!
and leave a
Don't
comment
forget
in
to
your
hit
video what your favourite song from The
don't
Greatest
forget
Showman
to hit
is.
the notification bell. The notification
Bye.
bell. Bye. Peace out.